This video is at the request of a viewer from the USA, who in his comment asked, do we have Tex-Mex in the UK? You bet we do. Jeff, this one is for you. Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to the BBQ Walk of Flame. I'm making some steak fajitas. Now, here in the UK, Tex-Mex may not be as popular as other cuisines, but I can't understand why I didn't think of this before, because it lends itself beautifully to barbecue cooking. So, Jeff, thanks for jogging my memory. My fajitas are going to be a kaleidoscope of colour, with one red onion, a red pepper, an orange pepper, a green pepper and a yellow pepper. First thing to do is remove the core and seeds from the peppers by cutting round the top like so, and give it a twist and remove. Tap out to remove any seeds. Cut the peppers into quarters and trim out any white flesh from the inside. Now slice the peppers into thin strips. Make sure there are no stray seeds or bits of white flesh that may have been missed. Add all of the peppers to a bowl. Halve and slice the red onion and add it to the bowl with the peppers. Just a splash of olive oil is all that's required. And then add 2 teaspoons of my fajita seasoning. Check out my video on this channel to see how it's made. To mix everything, give it a shake around and then get your hands in. My BBQ is nice and hot. The thermometer is reading over 300 degrees C. The steak is out of the fridge and hopefully at room temperature. Now drip off the marinade. Be sure to check out my steak marinade video, also on this channel. Now all it needs is to be patted dry with kitchen towel. I've got a few wood pellets smoking away nicely. On goes the steak. I'm grilling it for 1 minute per side. Overcook this steak and it will be as tough as old boots. That's done. Now I'm wrapping it loosely in foil to rest. At this point it will continue to cook for a while. Reduce the heat on the BBQ. And onto the griddle go the peppers and onion. Just listen to that sizzle. They will cook in just 4 to 5 minutes, turning them frequently. I have to admit, the smell and the burst of colour coming from the grill is a treat for the senses. Now everything's done. I'm transferring the peppers to a warm dish and must make sure I get every little bit. Now to slice the steak. I'm cutting it into thin strips across the grain. It's juicy and so tender the knife is going through it like butter. I was going to eat that bit. So to assemble my fajitas, a generous helping of pepper mix onto a warmed tortilla. Now a few strips of steak and a good dollop of sour cream. Roll it up, and that is my delicious steak fajitas. Well, that's my take on Tex-Mex. Don't forget, check out my steak marinade and fajita seasoning videos on this channel. Now, I'm on the lookout for a few more subscribers. And you could do me a favour. Simply click the button at the bottom of the screen, activate and ding the bell, and if you like this vid, give us a thumbs up. Now, here's the recipe recap. Well, that's all for now. Don't forget to check out my fajita seasoning and steak marinade videos. So, from me, the dude of the food, the old geezer at the grill, is goodbye and thanks for watching.